If you have many client profiles which use the same or very similar carrier account settings, you can set up and associate templates, which you can use when you create new clients or to update current ones according to the template setup. To switch from the clients to the templates view, you have to click in the switch on the table title bar. Once there, as you would typically do under a client profile, you can add a template and set up billing accounts as well as predefined boxes. For example, let's quickly set up one with a FedEx account, a UPS account, and a couple of predefined boxes, a small box and a medium box. While setting up the accounts, you can use fixed values, for example, entering the same account number for every single client profile which is going to use the template, or if you need, for example, a variable value, such as the client name or the client company, you can use a system variable for that. Make sure you check the list of variables you can use in the documentation. Once you add all the elements to the template, save it. Switch back to the Clients view and select the client you'd like to bind to your new template. Select the template from the drop-down. If you don't see your new template in the list, refresh the page. Select the template from the drop-down. Press Save, and then press the Sync with Template button. Once the synchronization is complete, you will see the template accounts, as well as predefined boxes, getting updated. From this point on, having established the basic or fundamental setup, you can edit the billing accounts to go through the client-specific details, such as references, markups, ship from names and phones, to showing the labels, etc. There are two ways to handle synchronization. One is the one we just saw, individually by client. The other is to massively update all the bound clients to a template. To do so, switch back to the Templates view and click Propagate. A warning message will be displayed, and after your confirmation, every single client bound to the template will get updated with the latest configuration you have defined. Remember, and this is really important, that when you synchronize your client with the template, you will lose any customizations you have done in the account on the client level. All the previous information is overwritten, including adding, removing, or modifying accounts, parameters, or boxes. We have more videos on client setup. Make sure you don't miss them. Thanks for watching and enjoy your TechShip experience.